Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can export your references that are present in a Word document to an EndNote library. So often it is a case that you receive a document from your supervisor or maybe from your colleague in which you have different references but you don't have an EndNote library. So what can we do? So first of all you need to do is to click on this button which says EndNote 20, and then you need to click on export EndNote, export to EndNote, and then it will give you the option of export traveling library. So when you click on this, it says please move the insert point outside of the references. So remember to to place your cursor outside the references. Here the cursor is here in these references, so I need to move outside somewhere the references. So if I put outside the references and again go to the EndNote 20, and now I will click on export to EndNote and then export traveling library. So when you click on this one, it will give you two options. The option one says export library to an existing EndNote library. So let's suppose because I have already opened an Android library with the title lithium ion batteries, so it is giving me the option where you want to export. So if you have multiple libraries open, you can click on this button and then you can really see the option of the multiple libraries. And then if you want to export the references to a completely new library, you have to click on this one. If you want to browse a library that is already saved, then you can go on this option and you can select the library where you want to export these references. So I want to export these references to an existing open library, which is the lithium ion battery, and then I will click on this OK button. So when you click on this OK button, it says export completed. So now I can go back to my Android library and I can see the references are exported. So here I have 7 references, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 references. And if I go back to my document and I see I have 7 references here. So in this way, you can export your references that are present in the Word document to the EndNote. So thank you very much for your time, and hit the like button and do make a comment and subscribe my channel.